Hi, how are you guys? I'm Malik. I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to activate Windows 10 permanently. This is Windows 10 Pro. I'm going to show this. See, my Windows is not activated. Active Windows. You can see here. Go to settings to activate Windows. Okay, not only there, I can show you my computer. Right, this PC. Yeah, right click on properties. See, Windows is not activated. Read the Microsoft software license terms, product ID. It's not activated. Uh, it's easy to activate. I'm going to show you. Just follow my steps, guys. Easy, okay. I have a link. I'm going to use my favorite Google Chrome as usual. Yeah, open the link. It's loading. Please wait. Yeah, and select all. Don't worry, I'll paste this link in description. Don't worry, I just copy it. Yes, I copy it. It's copied now. uh, just open a notepad. Yeah, now paste it here. Save as file. Click on save as. Where I'm going to save this in desktop. Yep. First you have to off your caps lock. Okay, Windows 10 dot cmd. See, I off the caps lock. Don't switch on. Not like I see. I can show you here. Not like this, or not like this. Just like this. Windows 10 dot cmd. Okay. I save this in desktop. Save. Okay, now I close this, and here Windows 10 cmd, right click on that and choose run as administrator. Yes, give yes. They will ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device or something like that? Give yes. Okay, verified publisher Microsoft Windows. Yes, activating your Windows. See here, it will remove this watermark will automatically remove it if it's activated. If it's not, it will not remove it. It is in the same place. The connection to my KMS server failed. Try to connect another one. Please wait. Yes, don't worry guys, it's happened. It's necessary. This one is very easy. Just follow my steps. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment. Give me a subscribe. It's going to activate. Yeah, see? See, where is the watermark? It's not at here. Yeah, wait. It takes small time. Don't worry. Any question you can ask me. I am Malik. You know, TechWine always. Yeah. Mm-hmm. My lap is too slow. Don't worry. If you have a fast machine, or you have a maximum uh, space on your hard disk, you can activate faster, better than me. uh, just wait. Supported product. Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Home N, Windows 10 Home Single Language, Windows 10 Home Country Specific, Windows 10 Professional, Windows 10 Professional N, Windows 10 Education N, Windows 10 Education N, or Windows 10 Enterprise, Windows 10 Enterprise N, Windows 10 Enterprise LTSB, Windows 10 Enterprise LTSBN. Activating your Windows. I'm reading this. It's boring now. Activating Windows 10 all version for free. Administrator. The connection. Yeah. Would you like to visit my blog? Please consider supporting this project. Donate. That's again a problem. Would you like to visit my blog? Yes. No. You give yes or no. It's your wish. Press any key to continue. Yep. That's all. That's all, guys. It's end. Your Windows is activated. Okay. You have a doubt? We're going to check it. Easy. Where? This PC. I'm looking for this PC. Malik and the TechWine. Malik with the TechWine. Malik always for you here. You can ask any questions. Malik have answers. Yeah, new folder. This PC. Yeah. Guide properties. Yo, Windows is activated. Product ID. Yeah, I have lots of IDs. So, okay, don't worry, guys. I have a solutions. Windows 10 Pro, any version you can. But Windows 10, okay, Windows 10 Pro, Home or Education, something like that. You can activate any version using my method. I will paste my link URL in description. Give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, give me a comment, man. Okay, Malik have to leave now. Take care, bye bye, goodbye. God bless you, my guys. Thank you very much.